Week 11 in the NFL is rapidly approaching, which means fantasy football talk is turning to the trading block. I'm Alison Smith here in the NESN.com newsroom with NESN.com fantasy analyst Darren Hartwell. If you're looking for a spot in the fantasy playoffs, now is definitely the time to shift some things around, improve your roster before the trade deadline. So what is the best way to do that? The best way to do that is to buy low and sell high. Darren, who are you buying low this week?
I'm buying low on Matt Ryan. I actually traded for Matt Ryan earlier in the year. He hasn't been doing too well. I'm not giving up hope just yet. He's got some good matchups coming up. He's playing the Carolina Panthers next week, and then he has 2 home games. If there is ever a time for him to turn it around, I think it's this week.
And who are you selling high?
I'm selling high on Golden Tate. Golden Tate, he's been huge with Calvin Johnson out of the lineup. Calvin Johnson's back now, and he still had a good game last week. He had 11 catches for 109 yards. I think that's even more of a reason to sell him. Megatron is kind of a touchdown machine when he's in the lineup. They have some tough matchups going forward. I think you should sell high on Golden Tate.
And who is the player who would be your best waiver wire pickup this week?
I'm looking at Bryce Brown this week for the Bills. Even with Fred Jackson back in the lineup, Bryce Brown had a big game. He had 100 total yards, and he would have had a touchdown if not for a fumble near the goal line. I think he's kind of their replacement for C.J. Spiller. He's going to do a lot of things in the running game and a lot of things in the passing game. So if he's still available on the waiver wire, I think you should grab him.
Well, take that information forth and use it to crush the fantasy playoffs. That was NESN.com fantasy analyst Darren Hartwell. Make sure to head to NESN.com/fantasyfootball for all your fantasy needs.